There's no great American drive quite like Las Vegas Boulevard, the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. It's pure, electrified American bravado, and nobody drives the Strip like the Las Vegas Boneshakers.
Everybody that has a car here tonight loves their car. They are proud of their car. They've put in blood, sweat, tears, and a lot of money. So getting to go and show them off, that is what it's all about.
Tonight, it's Strip versus machine. Meet some of the machine.
A 1941 Lincoln Zephyr, 430 horsepower.
1959 Ford F100.
1949 Chevy Business Coupe. I call this my Roger Rabbit.
It's a 1967 Comp Shelby Cobra, 427.
Leading the charge will be the Rat Rods.
It's a 1930 AA tow truck, 1-ton tow truck.
It's a piece of art, it's my art. It might be a piece of crap to somebody else, but it's my piece of crap.
Everybody wants one of these. I mean, they might not say it out loud, I did.
You got bullet holes in here.
Yes.
Bullet holes.
Yeah. They are, I didn't put them in there, that's the way we got the car. I rescued it out of the desert and made it into a drivable vehicle. I mean, it's American as American can be.
Think about it. You get to take this car down one of the biggest, loudest streets in America. What's more American than that?
Well, wait till you cruise down the Strip. You'll be amazed. I'll cruise down and I'll crack the throttle and you'll watch people jump.
Stopping traffic in a town with no brakes. I need to see this.
The only way to see Vegas.
Las Vegas is all about show, about being bigger and better. So when you bring out these cars, they've got shine and they've got noise.
It's our turn, it's our show. We slow it down, let everybody know we're coming, rev it up, give it a couple little burnouts, everything stops. And it's a show. They come here for a show and we're gonna give them a show.
This is not a David Copperfield magic trick. These cars turn heads and make smiles appear.
Did someone order an Uber?
They come out with cameras, start taking pictures.
Everybody out here is filming it. They're gonna take that all over the country, all over the world and show what they saw in Vegas.
These cars are all about noise.
On this night, the true star of the Strip was the Las Vegas Boneshakers, because you can't sing over a rat rod.
Celine Dion, hold on, babe. Hold on, I'm hearing something out here I want to see. Yeah, Mariah, we'll talk to you later. Look at that rat rod. They're running out. Wayne Newton doesn't know what to do when the rat rods are on the slip.
Dunk-a-shame, my friends. Dunk-a-shame.
Yo Adrian.
People always ask me, what's the first thing to look for in a used car? First thing I look for is I get in the car, turn the ignition on. If the check engine light or the service soon light, depending on what kind of car it is, comes on, that's a good start. If that don't come on right when you turn the ignition on, it's a deal killer. Stop right there, don't go any further, because what's wrong is somebody cut the wire to that light because they're hiding something. We hook up the scanner will tell me what's in the memory of the computer. So I can go in there and see what's going on, why the check engine light is not coming on, and what it came on for before the guy or whoever cut the light off of the car. Next thing you can do, pop the trunk, look for the spare tire well, open up the cover that's over the spare tire well, see if there's any signs of water or any mildew or anything in there. That's a quick sign too that there's something wrong with the car. It was wrecked in the back. It's got a back glass leaking. You definitely want to make sure that the car's not wrecked. And you got a car that's a ticking time bomb about to blow up that you're about to buy that I will not let you buy. Always, always bring it to a mechanic and let them check it out to be sure for you before you buy a car. Watch out for that brother-in-law deal because you know he's not really family.